My name's Tim Francis from Diversco, Measurement and Automation. Today at CeMAT, we'll be showcasing areas from our automation division, which is for dimensioning, weighing and scanning, primarily for the freight and warehousing industries, robotics, cobotics for pick and place applications and manufacturing applications, and packaging machines, also primarily for the warehousing industry. Certainly, across a broad spectrum, we're looking at tier one and tier two companies that are looking to make their journey into automation, that are moving away from manual processes for a higher degree of certainty and a better data response within their business. The CMAT event has been well attended, some really high quality inquiry coming from a broad spectrum of industries. So far we've been very pleased with the response that we've received so far here at CMAT.